Hey man, it's super crazy, bro. Out of nowhere, early this morning, late last night, however you want to look at it, the Air Jordan 11s dropped early, but it seemed like nobody had the drop. And we got to talk about today's video because it looked like a lot of those pairs got canceled. So we got to chop it up and talk about an upcoming shop drop from Nike and Jordan Brand for the Legend Blue Air Jordan 11s, man. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into today's video, man. It's greatly appreciated, man. Every time you guys pull up, come shop with your boy in the comment section. Come hit that like button. All that stuff matters, and all of it counts. And I do truly, man, truly appreciate all the support you guys have been showing. If you guys are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, join the family, hit the notification bell, make sure you leave a huge like, bro. The likes go a long way. You guys have been crushing it and killing it with that like button over the last couple weeks. It's around that time of the year where, you know, it's a new wave of people trying to get sneakers. Of course, the two most popular ones being, what you got right here? Hold on, let me just grab them real quick, bro. Of course, the Air Jordan 3 Black Cements. You guys know this is more true to that OG form. So everybody come out the woodworks. And of course, for the sneaker we're talking about today, the Air Jordan 11 Legend Blues, man. And I do truly appreciate y'all for tapping in. Of course, I'm gonna give you guys some updates and details throughout the remainder of the month because it is a busy month for sneakers, man. All right, man. So like I said in the intro, bro, for the Air Jordan 11 Legend Blues, them guys didn't drop early, and I didn't even hear about it until I woke up about 5 this morning, and I seen a couple of messages, I seen a couple of story posts, and they said Sheik dropped them early. So I'm going to go ahead and grab them one more time, brothers, because I am in love with these Legend Blue 11s. So you guys already know what I did. I went ahead on Sheik and I went ahead and put through an entire order, and a lot of people already knew about it. I'm like, yo, like, how y'all know this and I don't? It's a crazy weird drop that Sheik did. And I mentioned also that there were a lot of order cancellations, and I do want to just scroll on Twitter a little bit more and see if everybody got canceled. Me currently right now, I didn't get any, you know, cancellation email or anything like that. But Sheik, like I said, did a random weird shop drop per se on the Air Jordan 11 Legend Blues. But we shall see if that stands up for all the pairs. Some people say it might be a glitch. Some people said it's true. So there's a lot of stuff going on with that shop drop from Sheik that happened today. But the shock drop that everybody is banking on, that we know that will come, and that is from Nike and Jordan Brand. And a lot of people have been asking me, when is it going to happen? It's going to happen this week. It's going to happen next week. And a lot of different things could come into play when it does come to the shot drop. Nike probably looking at it like, we don't want to mess up the release for the Air Jordan 3 Black Cements. We want to wait till after the Black Cement 3 drop, which is on the 23rd of November. So we can see a shot drop the week after, or they could do it right before the Air Jordan 3 Black Cements do come out. It's just all up to Nike. And again, we got nothing for certain, nothing for sure as of right now for the shot drop from Nike. But the whole Sheik drop just kind of made a couple things interesting, because I did hear rumors about a drop being early for these guys. I didn't think it was going to be on Sheik. So again, there's a lot of stuff going on in the sneaker community. Was the shot drop that people was talking about strictly on Sheik, or is it something that we could potentially see from Nike here within the next couple of days? I don't know, man. It's crazy, bro. I don't know what's going on, bro. This upcoming Saturday, again, we have the Air Jordan 3 Black Cement, you know, 2 drop. And again, next week we could potentially see that shock drop for the Legend Blue 11s. I'm pretty sure that's how it's going to play out. You know, a couple days after these Black Cement 3s, we get to be right back spending money on Nike. And they say, hey, shock drop. We have these available for you right now. Go ahead and grab a classic, clean and pristine Legend Blue 11, guys. Me personally, I cannot wait to get 2 pairs of these. This is a size 10. So if you guys do want a pair, man, hit your boy up. You get these before Sheik. You get these before, you know what I'm saying, Nike and the shock drop. Clean pair, crispy. I love them. Double up for sure, because I know I'm gonna be rocking these a lot. And that Legend Blue also, man, they did this to perfection. I definitely feel like this is way better than the pair dropped back in 2014. I remember my pair like it was yesterday. They were not this crispy. They were not this crispy. And then that high cut just go crazy. It goes crazy, man. So I cannot wait for it. Again, shop drop did happen today. A lot of order cancellations. Me personally, I have not got an order cancellation yet. So I'm going to keep my fingers crossed. But I do know from Nike and Jordan Brand, we will be getting that shop drop sometime next week. I want to say next week, but again, we got nothing concrete. So don't shoot the messenger, bro. Don't shoot the messenger. We're just putting a couple things together, putting 2 and 2 together. And I'm pretty sure it's going to happen next week, right in between that, Black Friday, Thanksgiving time frame, people spending money. Hey, Nike know what they're doing. They good with their marketing, and I'm pretty sure we're going to see that shock drop for the Legend Blues next week. But hey, again, do not shoot the messenger. If I am wrong, I feel like I'm right. And also with the Air Jordan 3 Black Cement, you guys know there were a bunch of issues in terms of the shock drop pairs that did, finally make it to people's doorstep. If you're one of the people that got a bad pair, let me know down below in the comment section. You can ship them things back if you want to. I definitely think it's going to be a mass-produced sneaker. Well, it is a mass-produced sneaker. You should be good to get a pair on the release date, or just, order another pair, compare the two, and decide which one is best. But this is what happens, bro. I don't know if people be misinterpreting what I'm telling y'all. We know when it comes to mass-produced sneakers, there are going to be factory flaws, quality control issues, because there's so many pairs. We're used to it. You're going to wear the sneaker anyway. You're going to get it dirty. You're going to get it messed up. It is what it is. It is what it is at the end of the day. But of course, we got to make it know what's going on with Nike and Jordan Brand. These quality control issues sometimes be getting out of hand. But guess what we're still going to do? We're still going to buy the damn sneaker, man. So, hey, hope y'all didn't misinterpret that the wrong way in any type of way. But yeah, man, Black Cement 3s, people going to go crazy on them. Me personally, not what I thought it was going to crack up to be. I got the 2018 pair, and I think I'll be good with those for a while. And I ain't really too shabby on the flat leather look and a light skin elephant print. I'm just, maybe it's just me, bro. Don't be mad at me, bro. You like what you like. I like what I like. So again, be prepared for a shock drop next week on the Legend Blue 11s. We shall see what happens. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any updates when it comes to these Legend Blues. And again, I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. Make sure you sub up if you're new. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop. And with all this being said, man, your boy Devent is going to catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.